Oh, you stuck.
Stuck in the median.
The 28 checks negative, valid.
Dummy.
Dangerous vehicle at that address. Chevy pickup.
You don't flip me off.
Command, we're gonna need you
Listen,
out.
I ain't stuck. I'm out of here. Catch you
right now.
Yo, what's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Foos Nigga. We are back with another banger reaction video, and like I told you guys, we running it up. Okay, this is a perfect time for me to get caught up on my videos. Okay, we are running it up, knocking them down. I ain't playing no games, so I'm not gonna hold you guys up. We'll get straight to the video, but before we do that, we gotta find out what video we're doing that you guys sent me. And I ain't gonna lie, that looked like a whole bunch of snow. That looked like some of the shit that y'all about to get hit with right now while we're in this predicament. Why I'm knocking these videos out, giving them to you, because it looks like it's a snowstorm. Okay? Very interesting that you guys sent me this one when you guys are about to go through. Maybe that's why you sent. I don't know. But what is it? Drunk off-duty cop leads fellow officer on a drunk. Oh boy. All right, bet. Drunk off-duty. Hey, you got to get good. Listen, the dash cam works both ways. So before we get into this video, we got to check on my people's meeperies. So tap down the comment section 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Hopefully, mentally, with the storm coming, I hope you're doing good because you're about to be locked in the house. So you got to be mentally strong. And if you're not, just going to come in here and watch the videos, and we're going to do our little talkery. And I'm going to make sure that you know that you are very strong. And we're going to hold it down together. You feel me? You ain't doing this alone. You ain't going through this alone. We all right here together. So, yeah, drunk coppery. Let's go ahead and find out what's going down. Let's go. 50,000 views, 25,000 likes, 700 shares. Nothing less.
On December 15th, 2025 in Macon County, Illinois, deputies on early morning patrol attempted to stop a vehicle for speeding.
Macon 36. I'm attempting a traffic stop on a pickup truck, 51 north of Schaefer. He is driving in the median ditch.
Oh, he down in the... Oh, he having a good old time, ain't he? His own snow plow. I know you drunk, bro. You can't even know the road is clear and path right there, and you over there.
It's a blue Chevy Silverado.
You know, audio redacted. We want to hear everything.
I don't know if he's going to stop or not. He's taking off on me. He's driving on the inside shoulder. He's all over the road.
He's driving fast up in that type of weather too. Luckily, nobody else is on the road because of this weather.
Now,
everybody else probably locked in the house.
He's back in the median. I think he's going to try to turn around there and go back south.
I mean, at least we know the pickup truck do what it's supposed to do, right? That's what you bought it for. Situations like this, but not situations like this on a drunkery time.
They're spotty. He's in the median again. I'm at 10 miles an hour.
Oh, he about to turn around. Oh, don't get stuck now. Oh, that truck good. Oh, he got a good
south.
one.
Single, white male, occupant. Jesse, I'm trying to get turned around here at... I'm turning around at Space Mark. I still see his tail lights. I had him on radar northbound through Forsyth at 86.
Come on, get that car up, sir.
Megan, do we have an address on this plate?
Where's he at? Oh, he's stuck.
Stuck in the median.
The 28 checks negative, valid.
Dummy.
Dangerous vehicle at that address. Chevy pickup.
You don't flip me off.
Command, we're going to need you out.
Listen, I ain't stuck. I'm out of here. Catch you
right now. Stop.
Oh, you want to play the games, huh? Ah!
He's
He
out
got you to
median,
get out your
step
car, sir, in the
northbound.
cold. And this is an officer doing this? He said, oh, you ain't part of the team. All right, bet.
Can you let us what county know?
He said, I ain't stuck. He probably looked to the scanner in his truck.
Can you notify Slick County he's maybe up there for?
Macon, he is on the roadway northbound on 51. He's pulling away from me. I'm doing 65. I am not pursuing due to road conditions. It is the registered owner.
Are you stuck now or are you playing possum, sir? What are we doing?
Blue,
I ain't got
Chevy,
time for your shit.
We're gonna felony stop him.
Felony stop?
Open the door.
Oh, you stuck for real now.
Hey, still trying to spin the tires. Andrew Ziegler, shut the truck off and open the door.
Oh, you got K9? Let him
If you
loose.
try and run, the dog will be released. He will bite you.
I'm out with them. We're at Washington, half mile west of 51.
Andrew Ziegler, it's the sheriff's office. Turn the truck off, open the door. You're stuck. Give up.
Yeah, give up.
Open the door and give up with your hands up. Do not come out with a firearm.
That's crazy. They got a gun pointed at one of their own. It's wild.
51, I have the subject on the phone. I'm telling him to turn off his truck and to come out and listen to your felony stop.
Damn. He already said, you know what
Andrew
type of time
Ziegler,
you on?
open your door and step out of the truck. Andrew Ziegler, open your door and step out with your hands up. It's the Macon County Sheriff's Office. You're under arrest. All right, he's opening the
There we
door.
go.
Step out.
10-4, he is upset, but he is getting out.
Just face away from us and slowly walk back towards us. Keep your hands up. You know the deal. I know, but we're not going to take the chance. You're intoxicated. I'm not going to take the chance, man. Okay, just keep your hands up. Slowly walk towards us. Hands up.
He's like, dude, I'm one
Well,
of
if
you
you're not
guys.
going to do anything, you should put your hands up and walk back to me.
Come on.
Brown, put your hands up. Face away from us and walk back. You know this. Put your hands up and walk back to us. Yep, slowly. It's snow. I get it. Don't fall. Hands up. Slowly come towards us.
You can't even stand up without the truck.
We're not going to play the Y game, okay? Put your hands up and walk towards us.
Look at him. Oh,
Walk
you
over to
boy,
the
that
middle
boy.
of the road.
Woo!
To the middle of the road.
Sir,
And face away
hey,
from us.
you are fried, okay? You ain't
Yep,
even
just
drunk.
keep stepping back. Keep your hands up. Keep walking back. Okay, stop there. Keep your hands up. Do you have a weapon on you? Okay, keep your hands up. Hey, Pete, hold cover. Keep your hands up.
Hands up. Yep, totally up. Dude, why? I'm not gonna kick you, man.
Hey, we're just being careful.
I know.
It's nothing against you.
I know.
You know we got a job to do, all right?
I do.
All right.
Very good. 95.
What will make you? What are you going through to make you throw away your career, sir?
I know we gotta check. You know we gotta check.
I do.
19 copies and just hung up the phone.
You cleared the truck.
Oh, hi, dude.
Don't ask us what.
Dude, there's nobody in that truck. I'm not lying, dude.
I didn't say you were lying. You know we gotta check.
Why?
It's our job.
I know. Okay. Cool.
1 minute. 1 second.
Hi, dude. I'm serious. Why? There's no.
Sir, if you don't get your ass in the backseat with that tire.
There's nothing. I know.
Anything in them pockets? Just
No. There's not.
I got his pocket knife out.
I'm stupid as fuck.
Sorry, do you know where you're going? Stand by. I'm trying to get a hold of number 1 and number 2.
Yep, number 1, number 2. See what you think, guys.
Yeah, I'll do it. Hold on, I can't feel my hands. I can't do that.
What's this from?
It's my car. Megan 28. We're secure 95. You can start Richards. Going in the back.
Is your gun on the truck?
What?
Is your gun in the truck? Is your gun in the truck?
No.
Okay. I'm just asking if you
Why
have a
so
firearm in the
aggressively
vehicle.
mad, sir?
No.
Okay.
You guys.
How you feel about you?
Jesus fucking Christ.
You good right here?
Yeah.
Just doing that shit.
Do what?
Why are you gonna sit like that?
Why we like what?
That!
Stephanie Orange, you can call me now.
I would never hurt you guys. I'm dumb as fuck, but I'm not like that no fucking shit. The story's not that dumb. I'm dumb, but not that dumb.
Okay, I get it. I get
Sir,
it.
you're dumb. You're stupid.
Ultimately, the driver was identified as a Macon County Sheriff's deputy and was charged with driving under the influence by Illinois State Police, along with citations for speeding and attempting to elude a police officer. The deputy was cited and released with a pending court date and was placed on paid administrative leave while the sheriff's office conducts an internal investigation.
Sir, it's nothing to internalize. What's the internal? You want to find out why he was drunk driving as a police officer? It's on dash cam. He was caught red-handed. Like, what are we doing? It's like he wasn't fired. He's still getting paid. Paid administrative leave. So I can get drunk as a police officer where I swore the oath to take care of the people, for the people, by the people, and I'm out here putting people at harm's way, and I still get to pay for it? Shit, sign me up. Sound like it's a cool thing to do when every once in a while when I'm going through some shit at home. Fight with the wife, drink, drive. Job getting to me, drink, drive. That's the way I'm going to be able to get paid administrative and sit my ass at home and get more drunkery. Tell down in the comment section. Let's talk about it, man. Listen, it ain't no telling. If it wasn't for dash cam, how many times this shit has happened that they done swept under the table. We just get to see it now. Thank God they can't sweep the dash cam under the table. Listen, man, shit works two ways, but you know, sometimes they don't get the consequences that regular people get if they were caught drinking and driving. Because regular people that are drinking and driving. Anyway, type down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. I want to know your thoughts and opinions on this video and this officer, and you know the consequences that he got stuck with. It's your boy Fushika, man. We're gonna run it back and do another video. I'm gonna catch you guys in that video. So make sure you're in the comment section going crazy with me because yeah, we going there. Winter Desert Storm tight. Yeah.